sure we have some sound coming through the mic. Okay, good. It says using correct units explain. Quiet. So it says using correct units explain the meaning of the definite integral in the context of the problem. So they've got to have a sentence. So right away, if they don't have a sentence, you know that they lost that point. There's nothing else to check. Now, as you check the sentence, here's what I would look for. Don't read their sentence. Look and see if they have all the right units. If they don't have units of meters and minutes, they just lost the point. You can stop reading. That's it. You don't have to read anything. If they don't have meters and minutes, they don't get the point. If they have meters and minutes, now you got to read and make sure they have the word total distance. If they don't have the word total distance, they just lost the point. That's when you can read it really fast.
What if it's just distance?
They'll probably give them that one. If they said, is the distance Joanna jogs in meters over the interval 0 to 40 minutes, they'll give them that.
If they forgot the meters,
No meters, no point.
No meters, no point?
No meters, no point. Automatic. No minutes, no point. Automatic, that's for sure.
what if they put total amount?
So
of
they're like
meters?
so close. They wrote a
Keep
sentence
going.
like.
Yeah, that's okay. Total amount of meters
Alright,
jog.
definitely.
Did they say the minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Someone said over the course of 40 minutes. Is that?
I think they'll give her that one. It would have been better to say 0 to 40, but I do think they'll give it to her. So really just looking for those three key things. If they don't have all three, they don't get the point. That's for the red one. We'll talk about the green in a second. So I would just go to your pile quick and look at the red. Here's how the green is judged. It's 2 points for having it right. There's not a whole lot of ways to get one. Like you either have it or you don't. You don't have to work it out to a number. You just have to have the 12 times 200, 8 times 240, 4 times 220, and 16 times 150.
If they left the 220 as a negative, is that wrong?
Did they have everything else correct? They'll get 1 out of the 2.
Points docked for approximation.
Wait, but if they put it in the absolute value brackets, is that?
Oh, then it's okay. Like if you wrote,
Like they have it all in parentheses and then absolute value. Wait, I think I tried wrong.
no. Everybody, hey,
Oh, that's so
you
sad.
cannot absolute value all of it. If you want to use absolute value, it has to be 12 multiplied by the absolute value of 200, like that. Then plus 8 times the absolute value of 240. It's not the entire thing absolute valued. It's each individual velocity having an absolute value. Like that. The green that I'm writing would give full credit, would get both points.
Wait, that's total velocity. That doesn't.
The green that I wrote, that would have gotten full points.
Do they have to do that for everyone or just two?
If they didn't do it for all of them, they just did it for the 220, they'd still get the full credit because the others didn't technically need it. So.
This one says total distance traveled in meters and
Wrong.
And then they also, do you know what the entire thing is equal to? Because they kept going.
So you have to have the
Gotcha.
They did have the wrong point. Unit.
Or 60 now.
Hold on.
Just make sure.
So the final answer, Xander, should be 7,600.
They got that right, but they used meters per minute. They got 7600.
So they lost the red point for the wrong units, but the units weren't required on the green
Oh, why are
point.
they dividing by
So
two?
because they had the right number, they would have gotten 2 for 2 on the green. 7,600. If they kept going and have the wrong final result, is the intermediate stuff right or wrong? If the intermediate stuff is perfectly correct, you still get 1 out of 2.
If everything's in a bar, is that wrong?
So this is
I don't know. Because I definitely think that's what I did on mine.
Yeah, is
So-
everything in the
I'm so brain dead.
But that's annoying.
Hold on.
No,